power of a point, position of a point and length of the tangent. So before discussing about all these definitions, we introduce some notations here. The first notation, the statement x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. This is notated by s. That is s is equals to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. So when we have s is equals to 0 at anywhere in the problems, then we use the standard form notation in place of s is equals to 0. That is, s is equal to 0 circle means we take the equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. And the next notation, suppose let p is equals to x1 y1 be any point, then s11. S11 means simply we substitute the point x1 y1 in the above circle equation, then we get s11. That is, s11 means substituting the point in this equation, x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. So this is s11 notation. And S22 means suppose x2 y2 be any other point. Now we are substituting this x2 y2 point in the above circle equation, then we get the value of S22. That is, S22 is equals to x2 square plus y2 square plus 2gx2 plus 2fy2 plus c. So this is the notation of S22, S11 and S is equals to 0. S is equal to 0 means simply that is nothing but the equation of the circle in standard form. Next, power of the point. Power of the point means, for example, let first we take one circle here. This is the circle and P is any external point. We take any point outside of the circle. Just P be any point outside of the circle. Now we are drawing one card from P to the circle. This is the card. Card means the line passing through any 2 points of the circle is called the card of the circle. Now just we are drawing one card from P to the circle. Suppose the points are A comma B. That is, the card cuts the circle at the points A comma B. Now the value PA into PB. This is called the power of the point. Power of the point with respect to the given circle. For example, suppose the equation of this circle P s is equals to 0. Now PA into PB. PA into PB is called the power of the point and the value of PA into PB is equals to S11. S11 is equals to power of the point. And the next definition, position of a point. Position of a point means, for example, this is the circle. If the point P lies outside of the circle, then the condition is S11 greater than 0. The point P lies outside of the circle, then the condition is S11 greater than 0. And the point P lies inside of the circle, then the condition is S11 less than 0. And the last condition, the point P lies on the circle, then the condition is S11 equals to 0. That is, if S11 is equals to 0, then the given point lies on the circle. S11 greater than 0, then the point P lies outside of the circle. And S11 less than 0, then the point P lies inside of the circle. Be any circle, P is equals to x1, y1, be any point, then power of the point is S11 and position of the point. If S11 greater than 0, then the point P lies outside of the circle. S11 equals to 0, then P lies on the circle. S11 less than 0, then P lies inside of the circle. Where S11 is equals to x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. That is, simply we substitute in the given point in the given circle. So first we take one circle. This is the circle. S is equals to 0. S equals to 0 and P is equals to any external point. P be any external point. Now from this point, first we are drawing one tangent to the circle. What is tangent? The line which touches the circle at only one point is called the tangent to the circle. The line which touches the circle at only one point. This point is called the point of contact and it is denoted by T here. So PT is the tangent. Now length of the tangent means The distance between the point of contact and the point P is called the length of the tangent. So here PT is the length of the tangent. Here C is the center. Now the length of the tangent PT is equals to, now the length of the tangent formula root S11. Root S11 is the length of the tangent, and the tangent is always perpendicular to the radius which is drawn at the point of contact. So here first we draw one radius from the point of contact. So this is the radius. Now clearly these two lines are perpendicular to each other. That is, tangent is always perpendicular to the radius, and length of the tangent is equals to formula root S11, and tangent is perpendicular to the radius. Tangent is equal to root S11 and tangent is perpendicular to the radius. Locate the position of P3, 4 with respect to the circle S is equal to x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. Locate the position. We want to check the point P lies inside of the circle or outside of the circle or on the circle. For that, first we want to find the value of S11. So first we take the given circle S is equals to x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 is equals to 0. Next we are taking the given point P is equals to 3, 4. Now first we find the value of S11. S11 is nothing but by substituting the given point in the given circle, that is 3 square plus 4 square minus 4 into 3 minus 6 into 4 minus 12 is equals to 9 plus 16 minus 12 minus 24 minus 12. 9 plus 16, 25 minus 12, 12, 24, 24, 48 is equals to minus 23, which is less than 0. S11 value minus 23 less than 0, then the point P lies inside of the circle. Therefore, P lies inside of S is equals to 0. If it returns a value which is greater than 0, then the point P lies outside of the circle, and if it returns a value 0, then we say that the point P lies on the circle. If the length of the tangent from 2, 5 to the circle x square plus y square minus 5x plus 4y plus k is equal to 0 is root 37, then find k. Given that length of the tangent is equal to root 37, find the value of k. We have to find the value of k. Length of the tangent formula root S11. So first we take the given point is 2, 5, and next given circle is x square plus y square minus 5x plus 4y plus k is equals to 0, and given that length of the tangent is equals to root 37, that is root S11 is equals to root 37. Length of the tangent formula root S11 is equal to root 37. Now squaring on both sides, then S11 is equal to 37. S11 means we are substituting the given point in the circle equation, that is 2 square plus 5 square minus 5 into 2 plus 4 into 5 plus k is equals to 37. That is 4 plus 25 minus 10 plus 20 plus k is equals to 37. 25 plus 29 plus 20, 49, 49 minus 10, 39. 39 plus k is equals to 37. Then k is equals to 37 minus 39, that equals to minus 2. If a point P is moving such that the lengths of the tangents drawn from P to the circles are in the ratio 2:3, then find the equation of locus of P. P is a point that moves such that the lengths of tangents from P to the circles are in the ratio 2:3. So for that, first we are taking two circles here. This is the first circle and this is the second one. So these are the given two circles. Let the first circle be S is equals to 0 and the second circle be S dash is equals to 0, and P is a one given point. P is moving such that this is a given point P x1 y1. The point P moves such that the lengths of the tangents from P to the two circles. These are the tangents drawn from P to the circles, and this is the length of the tangent. PA is the length of the tangent, PB is the length of the tangent. The lengths of the tangents are in the ratio 2:3. So P is a point, P is a given point, A comma B are the P is a given point, S is equal to 0, S dash is equal to 0 be two circles. Now PA is the length of the tangent drawn from P to the first circle and PB is the length of the tangent drawn from P to the second circle. What is the given condition? The lengths of the tangents are in the ratio 2:3. That is, given condition is here, PA is to PB is equals to 2:3. That is, PA by PB is equals to 2/3. Now, what are PA comma PB values? PA is equal to length of the tangent. What is length of the tangent formula? Root S11. So, length of the tangent is equal to root S11, and this is the value PB is equals to root S11 dash. Since here the circle is S dash is equal to 0. So, we are taking the length of the tangent is root S11 dash. Let S comma S dash be two circles, P is equal to x11 be any point, and given condition PA is to PB is equal to 2:3, that is PA by PB is equal to 2/3. Now taking trans product, 3PA is equal to 2PB. Now squaring on both sides, 3PA whole square is equals to 2PB whole square, that is 9PA square is equals to 4PB square. PA square is equal to 4PB square, 9 into PA, length of the tangent to the first circle, root S11. Root S11 whole square is equals to 4 into PB square, root S11 dash whole square. Now that means 9 into S11 is equal to 4 into S11 dash. Now S11. S11 means substituting x1, y1 in the first circle, which returns x1 square plus y1 square minus 4x1 minus 6y1 minus 12 is equals to 4 into substituting the point x1, y1 in the second circle equation, x1 square plus y1 square plus 6x1 plus 18y1 plus 26. Now multiplying by 9 here, 9 into x1 square, 9x1 square plus 9y1 square minus 36x1 minus 9 into 6, 54y1 minus 108 is equals to 9 plus 108 is equals to 4x1 square plus 4y1 square plus 4 6 24x1 plus 4 18 that's 72y1 plus 426 24 to 8 104 plus 9x1 square minus 4x1 square 5x1 square 9y1 square minus 4y1 square 5y1 square minus 36x1 minus 24x1 minus 60x1 minus 54y1 minus 72y1 minus 126y1 minus 108 minus 104 minus 212 is equals to 0. Therefore, equation of locus of P is 5x square plus 5y square minus 60x minus 126y minus 212 is equals to 0.